So I'm gonna read out a poem for you guys. You're tired. Feels like you're fired. Too empty to be inspired. It's like you're running out of faith. When will this end? When will this be okay? You've had enough. No more water in your cup. The same all over again. You call out for help, but nobody is there to defend you. Who cares for you? Who sees you? Nobody there to please you. Is this it? Yet another day, always the same? You're tired. You're so tired. And yes, you have had enough. But this won't stop. This doesn't end. It feels like the beginning, even though it seems like the end. But hey, I am here for you. I see you. I feel you. Because I'm your friend, your sibling, your caregiver, and lover. I'm together with you to carry along the suffer. Know that you're not alone to burden this fight. I've heard the screams of your plight. Even though you can't see me, feel me, notice me, know that I'm there. Know that I still care and haven't forgotten, since you were there for me when I felt rotten. So I'm gonna record that later on at a later time, even better, but I wanted to share it with you guys and see how it felt for me. Yeah, I hope you don't struggle with loneliness. I had some people in mind when I wrote this, and especially now, like with everything happening in the world, I know that loneliness is something a lot of people suffer from, and it was inspired by a workshop that I participated in, and it was kind of like a letter to people. You know, even though you feel alone, there are people out there who care, and I'm one of them. A short announcement is okay, so today I put out this video, but starting next or the week after next week, I'm gonna switch off, or that's not the right term, but I'm gonna 1 week do a spoken word poem on Mondays, and then the other Monday I'm gonna do a song of mine, and so I'm gonna switch it out every week. And yeah, this Monday is gonna be just like a talking video, but starting the week after that, the schedule will hit where it's 1 spoken word poem and 1 song of mine, and then it's gonna switch out. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like the poem for as far as now, and I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to me. I'm still in that building phase, sorry, and yeah, I hope this means something to you, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.